sees one star in the sky. Let's go home, he says. Let's go home. Little one gives popcorn. A little one gives a bone. A little one jumps into bed. He's not supposed to be eating. Excuse me. He jumped in bed. Little one put on his pajamas. He jumped in bed. He went one. One.